Denise, Denise,
Yes,
you pass
Keisha.
Carlton outer road when you come.
You always
Because
ask me
from
for your
morning me I
man.
call Carlton, From morning me I call him and the phone only I go to voicemail. But when me ask me ear say no light never there. So he must not have no service or something. But me I call him straight and can't get him from morning. So I don't at the taxi stand me I go look or find out if Carlton there from morning. Because sometimes when you call the taxi man them, and you know hear from them, you can't just assume the worst and say them gone cheat on you, because a serious time now. Anything can happen, any game can play. I mean, wouldn't like for no say. Me wouldn't like for no say.
So Keisha cry,
Anything can
you don't
happen
know
to
if anything
Carlton,
happen. I water the sun near.
He from morning me I call him and me not hear anything, and it's not like Carlton. If he hear me I call him and he no answer. And to walk one now. Me just a hope for the best. Me just a hope for the best because me don't know how me two people them would have manage. And me not work. Me not do nothing, God should me just have a baby. Cause when I don't know say me a hustle already. Me not sit down and wait for nobody, but me just have a little baby. Not even 2 weeks. I only hope to God nothing happen to Carlton. But me I go down at the taxi stand go find out if he dog them or him parry them or whatsoever they call themselves out the road. Know what happened to him. Because sometimes the man they wicked too, They left and gone. Now look for the another side chick. Samantha, sit down, yes, yeah, sit down. Sit down there, son. I only hope to God that nothing to your father, yeah. No matter that nothing to your father. Come here to this from morning, me I call him, see on the phone. Me I call him from morning, I pure voicemail. And my belly feel weak from morning, me no eat. Anytime you see my belly feel weak, me know say something wrong. Up to God, no. Wagwan, my baby.
Hi,
Wagwan.
Carlton.
Aye.
Long time I haven't seen you.
I easy myself, long me not see you.
I'm glad to see you
I
today.
tell you, so me glad to see you, Every day me dey out here look at me see you,
Yes,
Because
man.
when me I remember the big batty round this, I tell you, say,
Yes,
boy.
yes.
I tell you, say.
I'm looking well.
Glad to see you, man.
Thank
Why
you,
you look
thank
round,
you.
though. You look good, daughter. Yeah, man, you look well. Yeah, man.
So like when you have no woman and all
Yeah,
them
man, you
things
look
there.
good, man.
Like something that can go on between us.
Come on, in a 2 trip me run,
I mean, I have nobody either,
Yeah, man. The hide us are easy. No, man. Everything good, man. No, man, me not no woman right here, no, man. No, man, I'm on free, single, and disengaged. I'm on single like a hit record. No, man, me not no woman right here, no live with, Yeah, man,
Oh,
I
me
am
look
a
so
free
fat.
man.
And a good
man.
life.
Yeah. Free man.
Good life.
Yeah, man. I'm on a easy myself now, Yeah. But mighty God, I no Carlton that. God Almighty no Carlton that with woman. And from morning me I call down Carlton phone. All a cry things say. They on a live Carlton out a road and Carlton out a road with woman. Look like him no run no trip from morning. Oh goodness, them your man you can't be trusted. Almighty God, and the picnic they not eat nothing from morning. I mean, I call Carlton and Carlton, out a road, you can imagine when I'm out there tell woman say, sit down there so, sit down there so, I have a great man, they got diss him up, but I must go and hold my own, until when he come home, me just a go and hold it, So me no want to make situation worse. So me just a go and hold it. Cause embarrassment and disgrace. We gonna make him hurt me out a road, So me just a go and easy myself, But look how Carlton I enjoy himself out a road. Watch Carlton I enjoy himself. Eh? Carlton cannot be trusted. Carlton is a wicked. And look how me I suffer with the pitney them. Watch Carlton. Look upon Carlton woman. Oh, Carlton woman look good. And me there sit down look like all mash up clothes when I iron out. Oh goodness. Me have to go start fix up myself. Look pan Carlton woman. All I wear name brand clothes. Look pan the woman where Carlton a spend money pan. And Carlton now come home with no money. Every day Carlton come home, no money, no money, no money. I'm tired of it now. I'm tired of it. And a Carlton beg me say, me fi give him the picnic. Me fi have picnic for him, fi take him off of the gelding truck. Him shoulda stay upon the truck. Him is a worthless 65-year-old taxi man. Watch him out there enjoy himself. Look pon him a kin off him teeth. Sometimes I pay trouble that yard, And I man go in the street, I man have to just go and below the street, And enjoy myself, Because I pay trouble there yard, Why me I tell you, so the woman them nagging, brother. I'm miserable. God, so a long time be a man. Why me I tell you, say. She a go on with me things, I want to try carry to home. Yeah, man. From morning, me there out there, as fish. I want to catch it. She a play hard to get, But it's a girl who used to beat still, But she a play hard, yeah, man. You know. Oh, me have to carry to home tonight and knock it. Yeah, man. Me know say the one Carlton a liar, You think me a believe anything what him a say? If he ever think me a make him fool me today, me just a make him go and talk, and see if me can get a money off him, He must think say me a idiot. Eh? I'm a fool. Yeah. All them big talk where him a talk, me not pay him no mind. I just a go and watch him. Cause me have to get a big money off him today.